Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic is profit and loss. See the formula here. Profit percentage formula is profit divided by CP into 100. CP is cost price. This is the formula for profit percentage. Move on to the sums. Our first sum, if a man makes a profit of rupees 25 on a purchase of rupees 250, then profit percentage is here given. A man makes a profit of rupees 25. So here profit amount is 25 on a purchase of rupees 250. So here CP is 250. We have to find profit percentage. See formula, profit percentage formula is profit divided by CP into 100. Here profit amount is 25 and CP cost price amount is 250. So 25 divided by 250 into 100, which is equal to 10%. So here our answer is profit percentage is 10%. Move on to the second sum, friends. A dealer bought a television set for rupees 10,000 and sold it for rupees 12,000. Find his profit percentage. Here a dealer bought a television for 10,000. So this 10,000 is cost price and sold it for rupees 12,000. So selling price rupees is 12,000. We have to find profit percentage. Our profit amount is profit equal to SP minus CP. That is selling price minus cost price. Because here selling price is higher than the cost price. So we have to subtract SP minus CP. 12,000 minus 10,000, which is equal to 2,000. Here your profit amount is 2,000. Profit percentage formula is profit divided by CP into 100. Here profit amount is 2,000 and the CP cost price is 10,000 into 100. Our answer is profit percentage equal to 20%. Move on to the third sum, friends. Vinoth purchased the house for rupees 27 lakhs 50,000. He spent rupees 2,50,000 on repairs and painting. If he sells the house for 33 lakhs, what is his profit or loss percent? Here, Vinoth purchased the house for rupees 27 lakhs 50,000 and also he makes 2,50,000 for his repairs. So this repair amount is also included in cost price. So our final cost price is 30 lakhs. 27 lakhs 50,000 plus 2 lakhs 50,000, which is equal to 30 lakhs. So our CP is 30 lakhs. Here he sells the house for 33 lakhs. So SP is 33 lakhs. So here obviously we clearly tell that here it's a profit amount only. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 33 lakhs minus 30 lakhs. Our profit amount is 3 lakhs. So from this we can find profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Our profit amount is 3 lakhs divided by cost price. Cost price is 30 lakhs into 100. So from this our profit percentage is 10%. Our answer is 10%. If you find these sums are helpful for you, then please subscribe, share the video. Thank you.